with Global Zero, their movement to eliminate nuclear weapons, and I was wondering, given that Reagan had a great legacy in reducing nuclear weapons, what did your father and your brother who are planning on taking any steps to do the same?
Look, I think there's a role for the United States in the world that we need to restore our military, but we also need to embrace our values, export our values, and that soft power is effective for the country. So a good example, the best example I can think of is the PEPFAR program.
Definitely. Would you take steps to eliminate nuclear weapons?
A what?
Eliminate nuclear weapons as president?
It would be, if it could be done, where there's, where we're eliminating proliferation. You get the North Koreans, you handle North Korea, I'll handle the rest of the world. How about that? I mean, yeah, of course. That would be an incredible objective, an aspirational goal. Not easy to do. We certainly couldn't do it unilaterally.
Yeah, we would be. I think it's really important to do it. The world as a whole, and the U.S. can take those steps.
Absolutely. Well, I appreciate you bringing it up.
Thank you.